every industry today is using technology. It's retail, it's your food industry, it's your telecom, it's your media. I think every industry is going to benefit from this revolutionary solution that's really optimizing businesses having access or better experience for their customers. Hi, I'm Surbhi Dhir. I'm Senior Client Partner at Publicis Sapient, and I'm here to answer all the different questions that are buzzing around on the internet about low-code, no-code solutions. What is low-code and no-code? I would define low-code as repeatable blocks of code, logical blocks of code that are used for rapidly building applications or platform solutions. What low-code, no-code solution really helps is to accelerate the delivery in certain use cases for businesses to rapidly able to build those logical blocks as part of the overall platform solution. What are some industry use cases of low-code, no-code? I've seen campaign management use these solutions. Businesses use it for tax purposes. I've seen it being used for loan origination, customer onboarding, fast credit lending solutions, Swift GPI cross-border payments. And it's also being used, interestingly, for governance, risk, and compliance scenarios where clients are trying to use it for their solutions around anti-bribery, corruption, as well as for AML solutions. I think it's being used across the value chain from front end to back end use cases across the board. Another interesting question is, how can I reduce my time to market? This is one that I get a lot from my clients. You can definitely reduce your time to market because now we're using logical blocks of code as opposed to writing or starting from scratch. And there are common use cases for client onboarding, for acquisition, for settlement that are repeatable across the board when it comes to logic. And I think there are data parameters that are also overlapping from one business to another. Why are no-code and low-code software development platforms on the rise? Well, simple reason. We have shortage of the right kind of capabilities and skill sets and resources. There is a need for rapid digitization, and it allows businesses to be more operationally efficient because they're repeatable blocks of code. It transforms delivery rapidly towards the agile mindset that we have already been in so far for the last 3 to 4 years. So yes, low-code, no-code has been on the rise for these 4 reasons. Do you think that there is some truth to the idea that low-code, no-code platforms will replace the majority of programmers? No, absolutely not. Low-code, no-code allows for repeatable blocks of code to be leveraged to allow organizations to rapidly build the solutions, but it's still the programmers that are working on these blocks of code. And there is significant amount of customization that's required by one business versus another. Programmers are not going to be replaced. It just allows us to be a wee bit more efficient.